Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you guys how I clean my makeup brushes, and also I'll be trying out a new life hack today where you put your beauty blender in the microwave. Something that I always wanted to do for a while now but never had a chance to, so I might as well do it in this video. So that's enough talking from me, let's get right into the video. The things that you'll need are a glass jar, olive oil, hand wash, conditioner and a jetty sponge. What you're going to do first is fill up the jar with lukewarm water, then add around about a tablespoon of olive oil, then a tablespoon of hand wash and a tablespoon of conditioner. Then you want to do is soak the sponge into the water. Once you have soaked the sponge completely in the mixture, what you want to do is pop it in the microwave for around about 1 minute. Now moving on to brushes, what you're going to need is olive oil, conditioner and a brush cleaning tool, and of course dirty brushes. What we're going to do first is soak the brush in lukewarm water, add olive oil to the product and of course conditioner. Then you want to move the brush in circular motions, make sure that you get rid of all that dirt.
When you're looking like that and I'm feeling like this, you make my head spin around and I want to kiss. When you're looking like that.
If you don't have the brush cleaning tool like I do, you can easily use your hands, it's just as effective.
What do you say? What will it take to make you see that I'm not playing? I want you and I think you should know. I want you and I won't let you go. 'Cause I'm the kind of girl who likes to tell you what I want in life. I'll get right up in your face. Won't you like that?
Thank you so much for watching this week's video. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. See ya!
I thought you should know.